Look at my Subway sandwich. Yes. Thank you. That thing looked juicy. So last time I got Subway and I just got my regular tuna and it was like so skimp, but this time she told me to get the deluxe and it gets you way more tuna and I got it real wet. Oh, with all my veggies. I get provolone cheese toasted and then I get the sweet onion sauce. Look at how like overflowing it looks. Oh, baby, that looks good. I love me a good tuna sandwich. Let's dig in. Well, this is it. I like when my sandwich is messy. I don't even need chips or drink. Just raw dog and a sub.
For added pepperoni, do you want me to double? I can double the salami or the.
So I get white bread, provolone cheese, tuna, mayo on the bread side. Then I do lettuce, extra onions, tomatoes, jalapeno peppers, a little bit of green pepper, sweet onion sauce, salt, pepper, and oil. And the tuna was fresh today, y'all. She said she just made the tuna. My braider, she just did my hair so fast, so I have extra time on my hand to go to I got extra time to do a little Christmas shopping. I honestly can dip this in that sweet onion sauce. Banging. If I can get the bottle, I would just squeeze it on this bitch.
Let me toss.
All right, Arizona. I'll see y'all this weekend. Chicago, y'all up next weekend. Okay, bye.